How are you? High five. Pow! Mila, I have a special present for you today. It's the very lovely Bb-8. This is a Bb-8. Say it, Bb-8. Bb-8. He is inside. This is the new robot from Star Wars: The Force Awakens. The new character in this amazing saga. Star Wars. New robot. So let's get Bb-8 out from the box. Thank you. And look what I have here. Remote control. How to operate Bb-8. His head. This is his body. And this is his, I would say, his inside engine. And it's a frame. And so we have installed batteries inside there. 3 AA batteries. And it's a cool robot. Now I will show you how to play with it. So we install this thing here inside, like this. I'm trying to close it.
Mama! Hey, Tara!
Look. Mila?
My elbow.
It's taking me some time. I can't close Bb-8. Where are you? Okay. And wow! Finally. Now I know how. Okay, you just have to find the right spot. Ta-da! Easy. Now we will attach his head. And look, he can roll, but his head will stay in place. So now you have to install the batteries into the remote control. It already has batteries. Yeah, deal with batteries, Mila. I think I forgot to turn him on.
Yeah.
Yes, Mila. Good girl. Okay, so how do we turn him on? Let's read the instructions. Okay, we just installed batteries, and now let's put Bb-8's head. Now turn this left. Okay. It's not working. Why? Button left. The controller button left. And let me see. So this, let's put it here. Oh. And shake. Okay, here are the batteries, Mila. Here, put them all here. So we installed remote control, needs 2 AAA and Bb-8 needs, actually he has 3 batteries here and 1 over here, which I missed and was not able to turn it on. So remember, 3 batteries here and 1 is here, which is a really strange design. Well, that's the way it's supposed to be anyway. So now we have it working. We installed Bb-8. Yeah, engine inside. And now we will. Okay. Where are you? Mila? Look. Where are you? Look. Wow. Turn it this way. Like this. Wow. All I can say is wow. It's so cool because his head is staying. His head is staying and it's rolling over his bigger ball body. So okay. Whoop! Bb-8 felt. Shake. Up. Send it over there. Again. Press here. And come on, let's go, Bb-8. Shake.
Wow.
Oh. Push this button right here. Oh.
Wait.
We have to shake him for so he to find his position for the head. And he's making this cool robotic sounds. Press here. Oh. This button, Mila? Mila, where are you? Here. Bye bye, bye bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bb-8.